Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add new items and services in FreshBooks. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your FreshBooks account, which of course I have done right here. Now the next one is how can you create an account on FreshBooks? First, launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar for browser, type freshbooks.com, and that's going to walk you right into the official website for FreshBooks. Once you get in there, follow through with the on-screen prompts to create your account, and of course, after signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a couple of features to have an exciting time in FreshBooks. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's steps, and that is how to add new items and services in FreshBooks. From this homepage, I'd like you to head over to the left navigation panel where you have dashboard, clients, estimates, invoices, payments, expenses, project, time tracking, accounting, report, apps, team members, items and services, bank connections, and settings. Now go ahead and click on items and services. And that takes you here. Now you can add items. Here you have the items and you have services. So you can move it to any of these tabs. So let's move it to items. So we have these items here, books, and we have pens. If you want to add more, go ahead and click on create new and click on item. So we can add a new item. So let's say this item is going to be a journal. Enter description. A nice journal, and then income account if you want to. So let's just go with sales. Add a new account if you want to, and then the rate, this is going to be 5,000. Add taxes if you want to, and track inventory if you want to. Now go ahead and click on save. That way you'll be able to add a new item, and my journal item is here. So if you want to add a new service, go ahead and click on create new and click on service, the services. So enter services. So this could be journaling, and enter a description if you want to, and then income accounts, just like we did. Rate, is it billable or automatically add the service to all new projects? You can check any of those boxes depending on what you want. Now go ahead and click on save. And a new service, journaling, has been added. So that's pretty much how to add items and services in FreshBooks. I can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.